If you don't see incoming calls on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, here's what you can do in order to try to solve this issue. So first what we can do is we can check if we do not have Do Not Disturb mode activated. So we're gonna go to Quick Settings, and over here you should be able to find Do Not Disturb. So over here, as you can see, we can turn it on and off as well. So make sure that Do Not Disturb is not enabled, because this can hide the information about the incoming calls. Besides that, you can also use a different sound mode, so you can actually disable the mute mode or silent mode if it's activated, and switch back to the sound mode, or at least the vibrate mode. In addition to that, we can also go to the phone app, and over here we're gonna tap on three dots that you may have over here on the right side or in the upper right corner, and then go to settings. Now once you open settings, go to call display while using apps and switch to full screen. This small change can also be quite helpful, especially if you don't see incoming calls when you use apps. And besides that, if that didn't help as well, the next thing that we can do is go to settings, scroll down and open apps. Now in apps, what we need to do is we're gonna search, well, first we're gonna enable system apps, so we're gonna tap on this icon on the right side and enable show system apps and press OK. After that, we're gonna search for apps. So first we're gonna start with phone. We're gonna write phone, and you should be able to find a bunch of different phone apps. So I'm gonna use this one. In this case, in the case of this phone app, we need to force stop it and press OK. Then we're gonna go to permissions. You want to make sure that at least these permissions are allowed. Make sure that notifications are enabled, every single one of them. And then we're gonna go to storage, and we want to clear data, like this. And then we're gonna go back, go to this phone app over here, and we're gonna open storage and clear data. And we can also clear cache in case it doesn't clear, but usually if you clear data, the cache is also removed. Let's go back, and then we're gonna go to phone and messaging storage, and do the same thing, open storage and clear data or cache. There we go. Next, we're gonna go to phone calls, do the same thing, open storage and clear data. There we go. Let's go back. Phone services as well, open storage, clear data, and let's go back. All right, and besides that, what we can also do is we can search for call. We're gonna just write call, and over here you should be able to find the call app. So we're gonna just do the same thing, just clear data. There we go. There's also call services, so let's go over here as well, and let's clear the data. Next we have call settings. I'm not sure if well, we can clear call settings as well, so let's just delete it as well. All right. And besides, we have call BG provided. So as you can see, we are pretty much clearing data of every app that is related to calling or the phone app itself. All right, and after that, there's also smart call, so let's clear that as well. All right. If you don't have any of these apps, then that's fine. Just try to find as many phone apps and call apps as possible, and that should be pretty much it. And after that, what you want to do is open the phone app. You want to actually open it so that you are certain that it actually is running in the background. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.